Harley Davidson is an American motorcycle manufacturer that has been in business for over a century. The company is renowned for producing iconic motorcycles that are built to last. Their motorcycles are known for their distinctive style, powerful engines, and high quality. Despite modern production methods being used to some extent, much of the assembly work is still done by hand in their factories. What sets Harley Davidson's handmade production process apart from other motorcycle manufacturers? How does Harley Davidson maintain such a loyal fan base? The assembly line at Harley Davidson's factory is where the magic really happens. It's where the raw materials are transformed into classic motorcycles that the company is known for. The assembly process starts with the frame, which is typically made of steel or aluminum. It's carefully inspected to ensure that it meets the company's highest standards. Once the frame has been given the green light, it's time to start assembling the various components that will make up the motorcycle. Before any component is installed, it undergoes a rigorous inspection process. Every aspect of the component is checked. Every component must meet the company's exacting standards before it can be installed on one of their motorcycles. Once all of the components have been inspected and tested, it's time to start assembling the motorcycle, and this is where the skilled workforce at Harley Davidson really shines. Each worker has been trained in the art of motorcycle assembly and takes great pride in their work. They carefully install each component, ensuring that everything is properly aligned and tightened to the correct torque specifications. The process of component assembly is a highly choreographed dance, with each worker performing their task with precision and skill. The components move down the assembly line, with each worker performing their task quickly and efficiently. There's no room for error in the assembly process, as even a small mistake can lead to a major issue down the line. As the components are assembled, the motorcycle starts to take shape. The engine is installed, the wheels are attached, and the various electronics are connected. Fun fact, each step of the process is carefully monitored to ensure that all the motorcycles are in the best possible form. Once the motorcycle has been fully assembled, it undergoes a final inspection to ensure that it meets the company's highest standards. One of the things that really sets Harley Davidson apart from other motorcycle manufacturers is the attention to detail that their workers pay to every aspect of the motorcycle. The workers take great pride in their work and know that each motorcycle they produce is a reflection of their skill and craftsmanship. Did you know that each motorcycle is painted by hand, ensuring that every inch of the bike is perfect? Throughout the assembly process, the workers meticulously check and double-check each component to ensure that everything is perfect. From the thickness of the paint to the sound of the exhaust, nothing is left to chance. Each worker is responsible for a specific part of the assembly process and takes ownership of their work. The attention to detail doesn't stop with the assembly process. Even after the motorcycle has been fully assembled, it undergoes a final inspection to ensure that everything is perfect. The workers inspect every inch of the motorcycle, looking for any imperfections or flaws. If something isn't up to their standards, they'll fix it before the motorcycle is shipped out to the customer. Harley Davidson motorcycles are known for their quality and durability, and the hand-built process ensures that they're built to last for years to come. In addition to building motorcycles, Harley Davidson is also known for its innovative design and cutting-edge technology. The company has a team of skilled designers and engineers who work tirelessly to create new and exciting motorcycles. Many of the parts used in Harley Davidson motorcycles are manufactured in-house. This includes everything from the engines to the wheels. This allows the company to maintain a high level of quality control and ensures that each motorcycle is built with the best possible components. Harley Davidson motorcycles are more than just machines. They're a symbol of freedom, adventure, and individuality. Each motorcycle is unique and reflects the personality of its owners. In addition to selling motorcycles, Harley Davidson also offers a wide range of accessories and apparel that allows riders to personalize their bikes. Fact: the workers at Harley Davidson take their jobs very seriously and understand that each motorcycle they produce is not just a product, but a work of art. They know that their customers are passionate about their motorcycles and want nothing but the best. That's why they take such care to ensure that every aspect of the motorcycle is perfect. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the Harley Davidson factory. Whether you're a Harley Davidson enthusiast or simply appreciate the art of motorcycle craftsmanship, there's no denying the passion and dedication that goes into each and every Harley Davidson motorcycle. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Our channel is like a Harley Davidson. You'll never regret it once you're on board.